Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, I'm Sudhir, Director of Sales for Cendyn, Middle East. And today I'm here to talk about life of a marketing manager. One day we'll cover what challenges you face. We feel you, we hear you, and we have tried to put together some solutions which can, figure out or assist you how AI can improve ad efficiency. So some agenda here. We'll start with a quick poll to set the stage. We'll talk about bit evolution of AI in our industry, key pain points, introducing AI into your role, what opportunities we have with AI, and key takeaways, and we'll wrap it up over there. Cool. So a quick poll. How many of you use AI tool in your day-to-day work at the moment? Quick show of hands. It's fantastic. AI is still catching up. And just to show you a quick history of AI, it started in 1950s. It's been there for a long time. In 1950s, a psychologist, Frank, he created first image recognition kind of software or a machine. That was the start of it. Then 70s, 80s, nothing much happened. It was the AI winters. In 1997, we took a big leap when IBM Deep Blue defeated the grandmaster Garry Kasparov in chess. For humanity, it was big, computer beating the human. And in yesterday's session with John, he mentioned that AI is improving every 6 months exponentially. So I think that's where it all started. In 2005, we have the big data coming into picture. From there, we moved on to cloud computing. Amazon started their cloud services, and GPUs and social media came in 2009. Now, AI is required to process all the data in social media. It became more important. In 2011, AI wins Jeopardy. It defeated 2 top contenders to win $1 million prize. Apple launched Siri the same year. 2015, Tesla comes into the picture with driverless cars. Some hiccups, but we are moving forward. 2017, Facebook launches facial recognition. And 2021, delivery bots. It was right after the COVID, so required technology to move forward. 2022 was a big moment where Gen AI started affecting or improving our lives with the launch of ChatGPT. And today, 2024, we have advanced Gen AI, where it's no longer just text, it's also video, audio. We saw an example yesterday how AI can create songs, right, for you, custom, original. So we are in that stage. And if I relate the slide with what we heard yesterday, the next 6 months, 2 years, is going to be amazing. We don't know what's in store, but I'm sure with the power of AI, things are going to get much better. So now, how AI impacts our industry. McKinsey did this poll that 73% of travelers guessed they prefer hotels using AI because then they can personalize. Guests can resonate more with the brand, with the product. And it also shows that in Middle East alone, by 2028, the entire growth rate in AI is going up by 37% annual growth rate. So it's going big. And all the hotels who's going to use AI in their dynamic pricing strategies, they will experience an increase in RevPAR of 10 to 15%. So more money for all the hotels. Now, delving a bit into key pain points of a hotel marketing manager. So I had a discussion with my team. We delved into okay, what all challenges the marketing team faces. Some of them are here on the screen, like how to attract more guests. How do we, get the right data? It's too messy, especially when you have multiple products, multiple platforms. How do you bring them in together? How do you segment or personalize, automate? And how do we reach out to the right guest in their right communication? How do we launch a campaign when every segment has a different best performing time window? And how do we use reporting with all the data we have? So here comes AI to help you out. So we'll tackle all these challenges one by one, and I'll share also some free tools you can use to incorporate in your day-to-day life, which can give you some sort of free time to automate things. So first challenge is attracting more guests. Understand how search is evolving. These days, when you go on Google, you search, it's different from what it used to provide 15, 20 years ago. As per Google itself, in the last 6 months, the average search queries for 5 or more words is growing faster than the shorter queries. It's getting more conversational. We ask Google search, OK, here is what I want to know, and Google gives back you the answer. So the search is changing, evolving. I hope your marketing strategies, the way you describe your hotels, it also changes with it. And to help you out with marketing, Google has PMTG, Performance Max for travel goals. It's a great AI for the hotels. It allows you to market your product, your hotel experience throughout the entire Google ecosystem, all 7 platforms. And if you look at any average guest, their journey, how they plan, it goes through multiple touch points. They search on Google search engine, hotels in Dubai. They search on YouTube. If you have a nice, let's say, rooftop restaurant or a swimming pool, they check on Gmail. They go on maybe even Google Maps to see how far it is from where you all want to visit. They search hotel name. They come back to the Google search. Now they know the name. And then they visit other websites. And as per retargeting, your ad is still following him. And then once guest is ready, checks on the Google Hotel ads and makes a booking. So throughout this journey, Google AI is learning at what stage a guest is ready to make a booking or not. So if you use Performance Max for travel goals, you can put your ads at the right moment in front of the guest. Now, hotels which use PMTG, they have experienced 18% increase in conversions compared to the traditional way of marketing. 31 times average ROAS, and 30% average increase in clicks and traffic. This is actually a very effective tool, and it's available right now. Second part, managing messy data. I'm sure nobody enjoys messy data. So we have a solution, CRM with AI, you can utilize to bring all the data together in one platform, do the data scanning, match and merge, to create one unified profile, so that even if a guest has stayed in multiple hotels across your group, spend on, let's say, spa, F&B, all over the place, you have all the information. When you have more information, you understand guests much better, what their requirements are, what's their reason for travel, and what their preferences are. So you can merge profiles easy. Once you have the unified profiles, you can leverage your CRM to prepare a segment. Now, 2 guests may have totally different buying behaviors, buying patterns, based on my past stays, how I'm staying, what I'm doing during the stay, or what my preferences are. You can create a segment for your guest, and then when you communicate with them, you reach out to them in a language, in a communication they can resonate with. So if a business traveler you're reaching out to, your messaging would be different compared to a family travel. Ralph is not here. If you are as a hotel, if you're reaching out to him, he's traveling with his family, the messaging would be different. And both different segments will resonate with whatever messaging is crafted for them. Second part is personalization. Now, in personalization, we define segmentation criteria clearly. What age group, purpose of travel, length of stay, food habits, preferences, even allergies. So you create this, and you can create multiple segments for your, the entire database you have. Once you have created segments, you start with targeted campaigns meant for those specific segments. Now you can leverage these free tools here, Perplexity AI, OpenAI, Jasper, WordTune, to create some personalized content. And yes, it will definitely help you to get some more variations of the text message you want to share with your customers. So here, whether their preference is by email, by message, WhatsApp, you can just assign, automate the spot. Let's bring in automation here. So once you have defined all the channels, triggers, and what action needs to be done by the AI, it makes the entire marketing journey much more simplified, efficient. So let's say there is a trigger that, okay, there is a segment, guest coming from Europe, UK, Germany, France, anywhere. You have defined within an age group, and they have used your hotel spa in the past. So how do you want to reach out to them? What platform, what way of communication? You can trigger an email, you can trigger SMS, and add to your social media database for further marketing. So in terms of oops. It's coming slowly. So in terms of automation, your CRM with AI, it helps you capture data from multiple platforms, be it your booking engine, your guest details, your PMS, multiple PMS system. Your properties may use one property, one PMS, second property, PMS number 2. You can pull everything together. All the surveys, ancillary spend, spa, Wi-Fi, all these platforms to capture guest details, you can bring in one platform to automate. You can even optimize when do you want to launch a campaign. Every segment, they have different buying preferences, the way they behave, seeing a marketing, it's a campaign. Their preferred times when they convert the most. So when you know about a specific segment, that, okay, this segment, the maximum conversions happen between 5 to 7 p.m., you can automate those things. Instead of waiting until 5 p.m. to launch a campaign, you can automate your marketing entire journey. You can have multiple campaigns, all automated. For example, there's school holidays or off-peak periods. Before that, you want to launch a campaign, publish campaign on social, emails, ads. Some of the free tools here, where you can use to automate, may not be free, there could be a trial version, but tools used for setting up timings, when to launch, automating things, no longer manual. It's available there. So you can consolidate all the data. You can have all the insights, patterns you have noticed, created a campaign for a particular segment, and now it's time to launch the campaign at the right time. Then we have marketing reporting. Now, with all this data we are capturing from multiple sources, you need AI, to bring the actionable insight out of it. Yesterday, John made it clear, the AI, the way the IQ is increasing, as humans, we can't compete, just like we can't compete with a rocket. Same way, we can't compete with AI to, process the same information with the same accuracy within the same span of time. We can't. So we have AI-powered tools available in the market, which you can use to pull all the information, get the exact actionable insights for your hotels, hotel groups. Some of the tools available, there is a Google Analytics, there is Domo, Power BI. Amazing tools. So that's the beauty of data. Once you have it, without data, if it's not actionable, it's just numbers. These tools help you to get some intelligence out of it and help you make decisions. Okay, one more poll. Based on today's discussion and all the tools you have seen last few slides, how many of you would be open to using AI tools for your day-to-day work next year? Show of hands. Great, job well done. More people now. Oops. So key takeaways for this session. We have some common challenges, and we have shared some possible solutions. Like if you have lack of online visibility as a challenge, boost online visibility. How? By doing AI-driven campaigns through paid search advertising on the digital platforms. You need to have a cohesive digital strategy. Channels, they cannot work in silos. You need to have a unified digital trust strategy to cover everything. To drive more direct bookings, you need to merge your meta search advertising and CRM strategies, segments, personalization, along with pricing. All three together, they convert. And leverage BI, data analytics, for informed decision making. Last one, reactive marketing decision. We have all the information, data, past trends. Use that information to have a better campaign design, which can also help you to reduce your cost of the campaign so that you can get the best of every single marketing dollar spent. Final thoughts, just to wrap it up. Explore AI tools. AI tools are evolving. Every year, every month, you will see more and more tools coming into picture. Explore them. You may like it, you may not like it, but they will keep coming. Keep exploring. There is no end to it. If you're waiting for the perfect technology to arrive, the wait will never end. The perfect technology is only perfect until the new one arrives. Dominate digital channels with a cohesive strategy, find new guests, create personalized campaigns to have a better impact on the guest who's staying in the hotels, and drive more bookings, direct bookings across your old direct sales channels, and grow revenue once a guest leaves, have a more personalized connection with them through using AI-enabled chatbots, reviews, to bring them back whenever they're coming back to Dubai or in your city. So that's my time. Thank you.